Hi, this is Selvapriyan. Today let's see 2007 GATE surveying questions. Totally 5 questions are asked and all those 5 are 2 marks. So totally 10 marks. Question number 1. The plan of a map was photocopied to a reduced size such that a line originally 100 mm measures 90 mm. The original scale was 1 is to 1000. The revised scale is. So the originally it is 1000 mm but it was measured as 90 mm. So that means the length is shrunk. So that means the shrunk factor is equal to 90 divided by 100. 90 divided by 100 is equal to 0.9. So this is the shrunk factor. And now the revised scale, that means shrunk scale. Shrunk scale or revised scale is equal to original scale into shrunk factor. So the original scale is 1 by 1000, that is 1 is to 1000. The shrunk factor is 0.9. So this can be written as look at the options. The numerator must have 1. So that means it can be written as 1 divided by 1000 divided by 0.9. So 1000 divided by 0.9 gives 1000 divided by 0.9 gives 1111.111. So the option B is the right answer. B is the right answer. Some The following table gives data of consecutive coordinates in respect of closed travels. So latitude and departure of stations are given. The question asked is magnitude and direction of error of closure in whole circle bearing. So magnitude and direction of error of closure. So first of all, we have to calculate the error of closure. For that, we need error in latitude and error in departure. So generally, latitude is in y-axis and departure is in x-axis. So north side is taken as a positive latitude and south side is taken as negative latitude. East is taken as positive departure and west is taken as negative departure. So that means P and Q are in positive latitude and R and S are negative latitude. And like that P and S are negative departure, Q and R are positive departure. So let's calculate the error in latitude. So error in latitude is del L is equal to 400.75 plus 100.25 minus 199 minus 300. So this gives 400.75 plus 100.25 minus 199 minus 300 gives 2. 2. Now error in departure del D is equal to 199.25 and that is a error in this question. This is not 399, so this is 299. That is an error in this question. 199.25 plus 299.75 minus 300.5 minus 200.5. So this means, so calculate this, 99.25 plus 299.75 minus 300.5 minus 200. So this gives minus 2. Minus 2 is the error in departure. First of all, let's calculate the magnitude. So the magnitude is equal to, magnitude of error is equal to square root of del L square plus del D square. So that means 2 square plus minus 2 whole square. So that means root of 8. Root of 8. So root of 8 is equal to 2.82 meter. 2.82 meter. 2.82 meter. So option C is the correct answer. So no need to calculate the direction. From magnitude itself we arrived the answer. So 2.82 is the magnitude. So option C is the correct answer. Only option C contains that magnitude. So let's calculate the direction also. To calculate direction, so theta is equal to tan inverse of del D divided by del L. So it is equal to tan inverse of 2 divided by 2. That means tan inverse of 1. So it is equal to 45 degree. 45 degree. But so look at the error in latitude and error in departure. Error in latitude is positive, but the error in departure is negative. So that means it lies in this quadrant. So positive latitude and negative departure. So that means it lies in this quadrant. So this quadrant is a fourth quadrant. So this is first quadrant, this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant, and this is fourth quadrant. So error lies in the fourth quadrant. So 45 degree is not the correct answer. So That means the theta is equal to direction is equal to, as it lies in the fourth quadrant, we have to, that means 360 degree minus 45 degree. 360 degree minus 45 degree is the correct answer. 315 degree is the right answer, as it lies in the fourth quadrant. When the departure is in the positive 2, it lies in the first quadrant, so the 45 degrees is written as it is. So for this question, option C is the right answer. Next question, the following measurements were made during testing a leveling instrument. So instrument at P and instrument at Q. So staff readings at P1 and Q1 are given. So P1 is close to P and Q1 is close to Q. If the reduced level of station P is 100 mm, 100 meter, the reduced level of station Q is asked. So to find out this question, first of all, we have to find out the level difference. Level difference H. So for that, the formula is average of average of staff readings that is P1 and Q1. Average of staff readings P1 and Q1 at A and at P and at Q. Sorry, at Q. At P and at Q. Average. Average of staff readings. Average of staff readings, that is P1 and Q1 at P and at Q. So that is equal to average of difference in staff readings. Difference in staff readings. So that means 2.81, 2.8 minus 1.7. Difference in staff readings. So look at the difference, 2.8 minus 1.7. The average. So that means we have to put plus symbol, and 2.7 minus 1.8. 2.7 minus 1.8 divided by 2. So we are taking the average. Come on, calculate. 0.8 plus 0.7 divided by 2. So the answer is 1. So the answer is 1. So the level difference is 1. Now the reduced RL of Q is equal to RL of P plus level difference. So that means 100 plus 1 is 101 meter. Option C is the right answer. Next question. Two straight lines intersect at an angle of 60 degree. The radius of a curve joining the two straight lines is 600 meter. The length of long chord and mid ordinates in meter. So first of all, two straight lines intersect at an angle of 60 degree. Two straight lines intersect at an angle of 60 degree. That is del is equal to 60 degree. The radius of curve joining the two straight lines. The curve is joining these two straight lines, and the radius of that curve is 600 meter. This is the radius 600 meter. This is the curve that is joining two straight lines. Can be extended to form a circle. This is the radius that is 600 meter. Now the length of long chord and mid ordinates in meter. So this is the length of long chord. So let's consider this point as A and as B. So AB is equal to long chord. AB is equal to long chord. And the length of that long chord is B is asked. So that means, so this is delta. This is delta. We have to find out this AB. That means, so this is del by 2. This is del by 2 and this is del by 2. So that means sine del by 2 is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. So opposite is AC divided by hypotenuse, that is AO. So that means AC is equal to AO, that is R. AO means R sine delta by 2. And therefore CB is also equal to R sine delta by 2. So that means AB is equal to AC plus CB, that is 2R sine del by 2. 2R sine del by 2 is the formula for So that means 2 into r is given as 600 and sine delta by 2, that is 60 degree by 2. 60 degree by 2 is 30 degree. So sine 30 is 1 by 2. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. The answer is equal to 600 meter. So the length of long chord is 600 meter. And one more thing is asked in the question, that is mid ordinates. So option B and option C both contains 600 meters. So either option A or either option B or option C. So the mid ordinates means this distance. So let's consider this point as M. So CM is equal to mid ordinate. CM equal to mid ordinate. So that means the distance from midpoint of long chord to the midpoint of curve. For that, so this is R. So OM is also equal to radius. OM minus OC. OM minus OC is OM minus OC. OM is equal to radius and OC is equal to R R cos del by 2. R cos del by 2. So cos del by 2 is equal to cos del by 2 is adjacent. Adjacent side is OC. OC divided by OA, that is R. So OC is equal to R cos del by 2. So that means mid ordinate is equal to R into 1 minus cos del by 2. R is equal to 600 minus cos 30 degree. So 60 by 2 is equal to 30 degree. So cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Cos 30 is equal to 0.866. So 1 minus 0.866 to 600 is equal to 80.38 meter. Option B. Option B is the right answer. Next question. The magnetic bearing of line AB is south 45 degree east. The declination is 5 degree west. The true bearing of the line AB. This is a survey line. The magnetic bearing is given as southeast, which is 45 degree. This is 45 degree. Let's convert it into whole circle bearing. Whole circle bearing is equal to 180 degree minus 45 degree. 180 degree minus 80 degree minus 45 degree gives 135 degree. This is equal to 35 degree. This is magnetic meridian. And the declination is 5 degree west. The true bearing of the line is asked. So true bearing is asked. So the declination is 5 degree west. So what that indicates? So that means magnetic meridian is 5 degree west to true meridian. This magnetic meridian is 5 degree west to true meridian. Declination is 5 degree west. So the magnetic meridian is 5 degree west to true meridian. That means the true meridian is equal to this is the angle required for true meridian. That means 135 degree minus 5 degree. So it is equal to 130 degree is the true meridian. And the question options are given in reduced bearing. So that means south 50 degree east. Southeast it is 50 degree. This angle is from true meridian to south it is 50 degree. So option C is the right answer. So today we have seen 2007 gate surveying questions. Tomorrow let's see 2008 gate surveying questions. Thank you.